With more and more emphasis being put on automation, the Prinect prepress workflow from Heidelberg is the perfect partner to help you realise this potential. Prinect offers 4 stages of automation, starting from a simple layout selection all the way through to a full no-touch JDF solution. Combined with unrivaled data that can be sent to a Speedmaster press, this gives Heidelberg Prinect customers the competitive advantage needed in today's market. If you have our Prinect Production Manager subscription, you are already halfway there, as you can expand your existing workflow without the cost of purchasing add-on licenses. All you need to invest in is the right amount of service time for us to install, configure and train you on the various license modules that we can unlock for you, therefore unleashing the power of automation and benefiting you from the savings it can bring. We have 4 levels of automation that we can interest you in. 2 that are entry level and 2 that are far more advanced. We are highlighting these 4 automation possibilities for you via a series of promotional videos. The first, if you missed it, was our Provide Layout technology. Be sure to go back and check out that video. However, in this video, we will be moving on to the second level of automation that we can offer, and that is Job Maker, a web browser portal app that can easily create jobs into a Prinect workflow with enough information to unleash further automation using Prinect's smart automation technology. With the Portal Job Maker app, you will be asked no more than 7 basic questions at the point of adding your artwork. So with this solution, we can leverage that input information to drive a smart workflow downstream. Jobs can be built dynamically and sequences added and linked. Jobs can be set up and taken through the workflow, proofed, sent ready for plates output with press presetting, which will also be enhanced, helping you to reduce touch points and make ready time on the press. Let's see this in a demo.
Job Maker is a widget that is part of the Portal technology, a web browser accessible part of the Prinect workflow. Here it sits amongst other widgets such as machine status, capacity and various different job lists showing different statuses. But let's take a look at the Job Maker, or the Pending Documents widget to use its correct name. As well as jobs that are already displayed in the system, shown in the middle window with their status on the right hand side, the left hand window is waiting for us to receive some files, which we can do by dragging and dropping PDFs into a shared directory that the Job Maker widget picks up from, subsequently displaying the information about each of the files, such as number of pages, trim size, and any colours including spots. To create a job, we'll just simply drag and drop to the Create button and enter in credentials such as job number, job name, what quantity the print run is, what template to choose, what material to put it on, who the customer is, when it's due, and just release that job into the system. While we're here, we'll drag some more files in just to show you how, even though the jobs are slightly different, we're going to use the same working templates, because the templates can auto flex to adjust to the trim size and auto adjust to the number of pages that are required in the job. Switching over to the Prinect cockpit, we can see our 3 jobs. The first one being a very simple A4 flyer. You'll see the imposition has been created and it's just stepped it up to fill the sheet. The other job, a little bit more interesting, a 4-page brochure, has used the same template and laid it out accordingly. This flyer job, similar to the first one, difference being it's double-sided and it is A5, yet the template has flexed to accommodate this trim size and adjusted the number up on the sheet. Carrying on with our theme of automation, we're going to use a customer approval on the pages to release the job to the next stage. To do this, we're going to use the prepress Portal service, which is an internet version of Portal. It's really easy for your customers to use. All they need to do is click on a token link in an email that will take them straight into the Portal app, where customers can soft-proof page animating visualizations of their job, or they can use an advanced mode where they can check bleeds, they can even check color separations if needs be. Here they can approve the jobs, thus releasing the system to move on to the next process, which in this case is an imposed proof, which has also been sent for approval. We've sent it to somebody internal within your organisation that can zoom in and check things like colour bars, gutters, margins, and they can release the job internally. Once plates have been made, the ultimate gain of a Prinect workflow is the fact that it has the press presetting integrated into the workflow. Now the prepress has been fed with information about the job from the job maker upstream. We now have valuable information available to the press, such as the print run quantity, your paper material, as well as your ink key presetting. All valuable presetting information which saves time having to enter it at the press, because here it is already set on the press console.
Interested in what Prinect can offer you? Then contact us by clicking the link. Watch out for our next video where we will be showcasing what you can do with CSV import. All the benefits of JobMaker, but without the need to input the data by hand, while at the same time offering the potential to input lots and lots of jobs all at once.